Getting your 1000 subscriber and watch hour, it is very easy. I used to say strategy I'm about to show you now is the new and latest strategy that is going to give you a lot of subscribers. See, do not sleep on this. Make sure that you watch this video to the very end so you will not skip any vital part of this video. What I'm about to show you right now is what you have been seeing while watching shorts. If you have been watching shorts regularly, you are going to be seeing other creators and another creator doing a duet, like a TikTok duet. Now I'm going to be showing you how they are doing this and how they are using this to get more subscriber and more viewership on their channel. Now stick with me to the end of this video. If you have viewed my video for the first time, my name is Blessing and I create tips, tricks and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get it to monetization, how to grow organically. If this is the video that you have been looking for, stick with me by clicking the subscribe button. And now let's get into this juicy part. Now, what is YouTube collab feature? YouTube collab feature allow creators to duet a video or to create a challenge alongside another creator. That means you're going to see the video of one creator is going to be on one side and the other creator is going to be on another side, while this video will be up on you that did the collaboration on your channel. If that creator you are doing the collaboration with is a big creator, that means you are going to get a lot of subscribers, and you know what that means when you are getting a lot of subscribers. So stick with me. I'm going to be showing you how this is going to get you your 4000 watch hour. This feature is only available on the YouTube app, that is the YouTube mobile app only. So that is where you can get this feature. And to be able to get more traction on this video, like to be able to get the best and the juicy part of this video, is when you react to this video properly, or you add commentary, or you join a challenge. If the creator created a challenge and you join in with the challenge side by side, just like TikTok duet, like you're trying to duet the challenge, then it will now become your own content, but you are doing it side by side with another creator. Now, how do you use this? How do we use this feature? Now just go to your YouTube app. What you're going to do is go to your YouTube app, click on any short that you know that this person creates a challenge, a good shot that you can add commentary. Just make sure that you find the best shots and that creator has a lot of engagement and subscribers. So what you're going to do is tap on the remix. There are sometimes their remix for that shot is not usually turned on. That means the creator do not want you to remix that video, but if it is turned on, please click on it and then go ahead and select collab. When you're selecting collab, choose your layout. You're going to choose your layout, whether you want the screen to be the creator will be up and you will be down, or the creator will be here and you'll be here. Just choose a split screen that is good for you and that is good for this collaboration. Now what you are going to do now is click on record your part. You are going to click on the record button to record your own reaction, your own challenge, your own commentary. Just record it. When you are done recording it, post it. Now how you are going to get a lot of views by doing this is to keep this collaboration very short. Just 15 to 30 seconds is very good, with a strong reaction or contribution to keep your audience retention very high. Now before you post that video, make sure you go to related video and put in the long form content that you have on your channel there, so that anybody that see that video, and for example, if that video gets a lot of views, there is high percent chance that 50% of those people that viewed that video will mistakenly or automatically click on that related video and watch your long content video. That is how you can get your 4000 watch hour using this short strategy. Yes, make sure that you do that strategy and it will get you your 4000 watch hour. It will get you watch hours. It will get you views on your long form content. How do you do this strategy to be able to grow very fast on YouTube? You have to collab with creators that are under your niche. Don't go beyond that. Now there's another thing I need you to take note about this collaboration feature. Now when you have created this short and you have created this collaboration, it is not going to show on the other person's channel. What YouTube is just going to do is, this short is going to show on only your channel, but YouTube is going to credit the creator's name. It's going to use the creator's name, like at so person, that is the creator's handle, is going to be showing on your video. So once those people, the creator's subscribers that are viewing that creator's video before, will automatically see that your remix that you have created, because you are always that creator subscriber always watch him or her video. So it's just like the YouTube algorithm it's just like you try to merge you and a big subscriber together. Do you understand? This is so very, very good. And now what you're going to do is every credit on that YouTube collaboration, whether you make money from there, if you are monetized, everything is going to your own name. The creator that you collaborate with is not getting any credits, except the creator collaborates your own video, then he will get his own credit, but the video is not going to show on the other person's channel. Just that YouTube is going to give is going to put in the creator's handle on that your video, and you to also mention the creator's handle that you collaborated with, and always putting comments on that video, putting a lot of comment on that video, so that the creator's subscribers can see those comments, those commentary that you have made, and be able to check out your video. That is how it works. It is so very good. This feature will allow you to get more subscribers, get more views. Like, it's going to make you grow fast on YouTube. This is a feature that you need to start doing and start putting your hands into right now. Make sure that you are not just jumping into any remix that you see. Don't jump into any remix that is not related to your niche. And if you also notice that the remix button is turned off, it means that you cannot use
God will
that
destroy your
person's
plan.
video. So do not download that video forcefully
that plan
and
will
then use
destroy
that video. You are going to get a copyright strike. The earlier you use this feature, the better. This feature has just been rolled out, I think 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago, and I've been shouting about this feature ever since on my channel. So please go and do this feature, especially those of you that are into the niches, entertainment niches, vlog, comedy, music. Go and use this feature to grow your YouTube channel. Use this feature. YouTube does not just roll out a feature when they know that it's not going to be great for creators. They want every creator on YouTube to grow, whether small channels and big channels. They want everybody to be at the same pace. So please use this feature right now before it is too late, before YouTube starts being stiff with this updates. Use it right now. And now, when you are done watching that, watch this video right here on how I give a detailed explanation on how to use this YouTube remix on your video, YouTube collaboration on your video. Watch this video right here. And now I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.